Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I've got my hands on the Redmi Note 10 Pro, the 8GB variant in the bronze color, and in this video I am going to unbox this phone and take you through its quick review. So without any further ado, let's unbox this phone and take a look at what it has to offer. Alright, here's the box with the phone's picture on the top, branding on the right and some phone info at the bottom including its bronze color, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. I will mention its price and color options on the screen. Let's get its wraps off now. Here's the warranty card of the phone. At the top we have another small box. Inside this box we have the usual documentation, a soft case and the SIM eject pin. Underneath we have the phone and the phone's top sticker mentions its 108 megapixels telemacro lens, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 732G chipset and a 33-watt charger inside. I'll turn this phone on and put it on a side. Here's our 33-watt charger and this is the USB-C cable of this phone. Let's take the phone's wraps off. Now this is a beautiful device. It is lighter, slimmer, sleeker than last year's Redmi Note 9 Pro. Xiaomi has definitely cut down its weight as well. Let me quickly set this phone up and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, this phone has a glass build with a plastic frame. Gorilla Glass 5 is protecting the phone. The phone's back has a soft finish, but it's not glossy and it is less prone to fingerprints and smudges. The camera hump is still big. Camera protrusion can be seen and felt easily. I like Xiaomi's approach of opting for a new design language on every new Redmi Note series. At the bottom it has its primary mic, USB-C port, speaker, power button cum fingerprint scanner and volume keys on the right, SIM slot on the left. This slot can hold 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. Secondary stereo speaker, secondary mic, headphone jack and an IR blaster is placed at the top. The flat top and bottom literally helps this phone to stand tall without any support and you can see that in this video as well. On the front we have a big 6.67 inches Super AMOLED Full HD screen with 120Hz refresh rate and as you can see, the camera punch hole is really small. The bezels look fine to me, they are not thick. This screen makes the colors vibrant and it's such a nice thing to have the Super AMOLED panels with 120Hz refresh rate on these mid-range phones. Redmi has definitely set new standards in the respective price brackets. It runs on Android 11 themed by the MIUI 12 out of the box. This time around, the Super AMOLED display has helped this phone to get the always on display as well. The dark mode is going to be super useful as well now. You can turn on the 120Hz refresh rate from the settings. The phone has a big 5020 mAh battery and I think this will easily suffice for a day when you will use the phone with 120Hz refresh rate. This phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G 8nm chipset. I personally was expecting a better chipset, but 732G in this price bracket is not bad either. Remember that I am explaining this phone with respect to its price. It is about $100 cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy A72 and about $50 cheaper than the Galaxy A52. There are 4 rear cameras with the main camera being a 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 sensor on this phone. The other camera details are on your screen. Camera app is quite powerful. Redmi phones usually have every single useful feature. There is 60 frames per second video recording for the rear camera. Front camera can do 1080p at 30 frames per second only. A good Pro mode with RAW support and Pro video mode too. Slow-mo, night mode and some other unique features can be seen in the more section of the camera app. I have shot some images for now just to give you an idea about this phone's camera. If you guys want a full camera review, let me know. I'll start working on that too. For now, enjoy the camera samples and I'll see you in a bit. And that's all with the unboxing of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I have lined up some comparisons of the Redmi Note 10 Pro with the Galaxy A72 and the Galaxy A52. If you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and if you found this video useful, hit the like button as well. With that being said, I will sign off and I'll catch you all in the next one.